Hey YouTube, it's your girl Julia B, and today I'm here with a natural hair video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click down subscribe. I'll give you a couple seconds to go ahead and do it because y'all, 2020, we already going through a tough time out here, and I'm trying to get my life together. Girl, go ahead. Boy, it might be a boy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment something in the comment section, whatever you want to comment, and let's get into the video. So today I'm out here looking real rough because I'm going to try to trim my natural hair. In the past, I've done it on straight hair, but like very lightly. I've trimmed other people's hair, but on myself, I really haven't. So my ends are so bad. Like I can only count on one time in my life my ends have been this bad. And I went to get them professionally cut, and they changed my life. But you know, coronavirus, so I can't go get my ends cut for real. So I'm gonna try to do it at home. So really what you need is a blow dryer, because I'm gonna blow dry my hair out, but I got my handy dandy Revlon paddle brush dryer, which saves my life every time, and some scissors. Don't use regular Dollar Tree scissors on your hair, girl. You won't have none. And you need a rat tail comb, which I just had one, and don't give me that with the broke teeth. You don't even need the teeth. So try it. Give me the pink comb. And a rat tail comb. So try. My sister's gonna try to give me this broke tooth comb, and I had this one sitting over here with my stuff. So yesterday I washed my hair, conditioned it, deconditioned it, and I put in these plaits, let it very dry overnight. Oh girl, look, I got me a good little twist out, but you see I can't have a good twist out because my ends, it's not gonna let me live. Okay, so I got this camera blow dry spray. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm using this, because this is for when I straighten my hair, but it basically makes your hair blow dry way past. Even though my hair is already dry, I'm just blowing it out to get it straight, but it is also a thermal protectant, so I'm gonna use it anyway just so I can protect the little hair I have left that's still alive. So I really didn't have to pass over it that many times, but as you can see, my ends are actually terrible. Like all of this really needs to be cut off, like from here on. And that's like 2 inches of hair. How many inches did you say? It's like 1 inch or 2? I don't know, but as you can see here, like how bad it is. I already have my hair dry before I hit it with the paddle brush. Is like I literally did that in like 15 seconds and it got straight because it's already dry. I don't have to keep on blow drying it to get it dry. I'm just blow drying it to get it straight. So that's a pro tip, even though I'm not a pro. It's just a tip that I got that I got. Can y'all see that? Ugh, that's so bad. Ugh, make my stomach turn. Blown out, you can see against my white shirt how like trash my ends are. Like really it should be cut out, so like right here, that's like a lot of hair. I'm kind of nervous, but I really should cut it to like up here. But I'm gonna go section by section because I watched some videos and I feel like, you know, I maybe can do this. So I'm gonna start from the back, just section off. So I am trying to go for somewhat of a shape and not just like just straight blunt cut. So the way I saw them do it on YouTube is they took a section. I'm taking a section maybe this big. It's not a lot of hair, but it's not a little bit of hair either. And I'm just going to put in between my fingers. Make sure it's super smooth. Slide it down to where I think I should cut. And I think I'm gonna cut about this much. but I want to cut it up at an angle and not straight down. Because if I cut it, okay, let's say if I cut it straight down like this, right? It's gonna give me no kind of shape, but I can still cut it like that. If I cut it out, it's gonna kind of give me like a round shape that I'm going for. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm basically following it until I feel like I should stop it, and I think it's here. Really should be more, but that's all I'm doing. There's people in here creeping on me while I'm making my video. This may be like an inch. Also, I'm supposed to keep it above the knuckle. I saw that on somebody's channel. Keep it above the knuckle. That way you have more control. Next piece. Smooth it out. Stop it where you think it should stop. I think it's still right here. Which is like a lot. Okay. I think you just keep going around. Like this over here is worse than the other side. Like, look, what is this? It got to go. Okay, so that's the first layer, and I feel like that looks pretty good. Like, it's definitely not all of it, but you know, it looks a lot better than it did before. So it looks better. I'm just gonna do this side all together. Just make sure it's nothing crazy. Okay, second section. I'm basically gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna part it, put it out to the side, comb it through, make sure it's smooth. My finger, and stop it where I think it needs to stop. So this is where I think it needs to stop. now that I got the whole back part done, I'm just gonna comb it down this time and just get the really straggly ones that's just like hanging on for dear life. This side is not very many. For some reason, I feel like this side is a lot more damaged than this side. Like these ends are a lot worse than these ends. And like even when I'm looking at it right now, it still looks like straggly. Like I don't know how to. It still don't look like I'm cutting enough off. Like I don't want to like cut it all. Like I can see like some split ends all the way at the very ends. So these are my finished ends. I still feel like it's, you know, it's not all the way cut down to where it should probably be, but it is a drastic change from the beginning. Like I can actually run my fingers through the ends, and it's not like snagging, it's not shedding super bad like it was if I just like did this before. I could pull out so much hair, but now it's not so bad. So my plan right now is to come back in a couple days. I'm gonna do a wash and go, and I'm going to try a diva cut. So a DIY diva cut. So if you're interested in seeing me cut my hair to a DIY diva cut, if you don't know what a diva cut is, it's where it's shorter on the top and like longer on the bottoms. I'll insert some pictures here so you can see. But I'm gonna DIY it, and that'll be coming in the next couple of days. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel now, turn your notifications on, so you'll know when I post it, because it's happening. Because I'm tired of my hair just looking like a mop. Like it's long or whatever, but curly is really just not cute. Like it just looks like a mop. It's no shape. It's not cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.